Hello everyone, welcome back to BP Into Tutorials, and today we will learn how to use paste link option in MS Excel. I believe guys you know about paste special, wherein we can paste the values and we can remove the formulas. In the same way we will use the paste link, but there is a different use of it. So before moving to the video, I would request everyone to please share, subscribe the channel, click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the upcoming videos. Check out our playlist, you will find 200 plus videos that will help in cracking your interviews related to Six Sigma certification, trainers, quality analyst, team leader, operation manager, MS Excel dashboards, reports, people management, Lucas Studio, Google Data Studio. Many more videos are guys that will help you in cracking the interview. Let's start today's concept, that is on how to use to paste it in the below sheet. Okay, let me delete everything from here. Okay, now I want to paste this data there, and with the help of paste link, if I do any changes here, right, automatically the changes will be reflecting here. How can we done that? How can we do that? So just do Control A, Control C, which means copy. Once you come here, paste anywhere wherever you required, okay, and Control V. Post pasting the data, you will find this option, Control. If not, what you can do is, okay, on this cell you want to paste, right, then right click, paste special option is there. In that you will find the option of paste link. Here you can find paste link. Just do that. Now you can see the data is available here, whatever we data pasted here. Now let me change something here. If it is 3rd of it's March 12th, right, let me change it to Jan 1st completely. Okay, now you can see the Wednesday and week starting, everything got changed. Let me go here. Yes, you can see here everything got changed here also automatically. Earlier it was different, and let me give you one more example. See, if I'm changing date 1 and 2024, I'm doing it 2024, enter. You can see here it's showing like 1 2 Thursday and 29. Now you can see here also 1 2 24 Thursday and week starting 29. So this is the use of paste special. So just want to guide you once again. Copy this entire data, and once you do paste special here, don't do paste special. There are two ways. Either you can copy and you will find one option here, Control, and you can choose paste link, or else if you don't find the option, okay, if you don't find the option, right click, you will find the option here, paste special, and you can click, and here you will find the option of paste link. Just do this. In this way you can use the function paste link. I hope this is really helpful, because sometimes we have multiple data sheets and we miss to update the same data in a different sheet. Example, headcount numbers, headcount details, or anything. I'll give you a good example here. Suppose we have a headcount detail and we are pasting those headcount details to do a VLOOKUP in a different sheet. Now if in our master headcount sheet, if the data is getting changed, then it will be really tough, because in other sheets where you have pasted the headcount, it will not get changed. So you can use this function so that whenever you do any changes in the master sheet, automatically the changes will get reflected here also. Still have any doubt, please share your feedbacks and comments. I'll definitely help you out. Don't miss to share, subscribe the channel. Have a great day.